Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with a new haul from Creative Memories. I already showed this on my other channel, Dare to Be Creative, and I'm showing it on this one just in case people watching this channel aren't aware that I'm also a Creative Memories consultant. So I'm going to show you what I got in my first haul, and if you would like to join, my information will be below, or if you'd like to order anything, my information will be below. Great products. So take care, and I'll be right back. I'm excited to show you my haul. But as you can see, I have on a robe, 75 degrees today, and tomorrow it's going to be snowing. Like, what? 75 degrees. People had on shorts. And I don't know when this video will be up. Probably be a few days late, might be a week late. Oh my goodness, it was so beautiful. And then, about evening time, tornadoes, flood watches, and marine spout, water on the spouts. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Tornado on the water, you know, watch, warning, or whatever. And then snow. I'm like, we literally have 4 seasons in the blink of an eye. I digress. I just had to share that. Anyway, I'm excited to be here to show you my haul for Tuesday morning. Lord have mercy, Creative Memories. I was a Creative Memories consultant, the old Creative Memories. And then they got switched out to a different company, and when they were switching out, you know, there was some changes, didn't like it, so I said no. And then they got brought out again. But anyway, they have a special this month. If you join, it was $49 to join. You get $50 worth of material. Like, that was a no-brainer, because I buy stuff from them anyway, and then you get 10% off. So I was like, that was worth it. And it wasn't limited to, like, a lot of, you know, products that you have to buy. When you join, you have to buy materials to sell the company or whatever. So this is more like a shopper's club. And so I was excited to do that. And if you're interested in anything from them, my information will be down below in case you want to purchase something. Feel free to purchase off of my channel. From off my website. Anyway, so one of the free things they did give you was catalog, all the tools and the papers and stuff. And so I have some of the older stuff, like I have this border system, so I bought some more cartridges and stuff. So they just have quality products, and that was the thing that I did love about them, is their albums. Nobody has albums better than them. If you do any scrapbooking, you want to preserve any memories, they have the best. And I do mean they stand by their albums. I think it's 100 to 200 year guarantee on their albums. And I have bought all the other designer name albums before, and they fall apart, especially if they got a D ring or 3 ring in the inside. The pages can be having a slouch. These pages do differently, so I just was excited to get that. They also sent another, just some informational how to cut your pages and stuff. And you can get all this off their website anyway, but this was some different stuff they have that you can use, like to teach a class. And these are some sketches. So I love all the information they give you, how to cut, how to use your paper, and how to do some layouts and stuff like that. Granted, and you don't have to scrapbook the same way they scrapbook. That's just simple ways to get pages done and for the pictures to be the focus. You can do any kind of scrapbooking, but the materials are quality. So having said that, I will show you what I got. This is a power box, which is what you can keep your photos in. I used to do this album back in the day. I should open this up, I apologize. I'm gonna put this down. Hopefully it won't be too loud. Oh yeah, so I had $50 off of my order. So that was great, and then I got 10% back. So this is the power box that you keep your pictures in. So, and of course it complies with all the photo stuff, archival stuff, so that your pictures don't go bad. But it's just basically like a plastic box, and you put it together. It's real easy. And I own a couple of these, but I think it holds 200 or 400 pictures. I think it's 400. I can't remember. And so it's a nice, convenient way to keep your pictures, and you can label them with the tabs and all the stuff. And this is nice, sturdy plastic. I've had some for over a decade. Stacked on top of each other, and so they last very well. Haven't had any problems with them at all. So, I'm sorry, I said 200. It's 1,200 photos. 1,200 photos. They can go up to a 5x7. So, you can get quite a few photos in here. So, I did get that. It's my last trip to the West Coast. I need some more apples to put in. So, then, this is on clearance. Oh, then also get to shop and the advisor stuff. And this is one of the pins they had. It's the Creative Memories. It was on clearance. It was just a couple of dollars. I just purchased it. I purchased this punch called Campfire. They really have good punches. I still have my punches from when I sold them Creative Memories over 10 years ago. I still have my punches and they still work. I love the new design because you can, these are compact, you know, just kind of like the first goes, you know, they fold up. And then you press the button and it releases. And their stuff is, like I said, I enjoy the quality of it. So, I was making some little border punches out of that. I thought it was just cute and different. I like different, unique punches. So that was called the Campfire. I just think that's cute. I did get this 12-inch decorative trimmer. I'm a tool person. If you don't know me, then I love tools. I still have my tools from before. All my tools from before I still have. Most of them have changed colors. But yeah, so this is the back. This is the wavy tool, so you can make some borders real quick and easy. Again, it's 12 inches, so of course you can make a 12-inch border. Of course, this also, oops, pull the raw piece comes out, so you slide it out right there, yeah. So you got this edge and this edge, and then you have to lift the pieces up to move them. Yep. So excited to get that, and you can put your paper on here and lift it up just like any other tool. And then we have repositional tape runner. So this is, I got the repositional one. And again, you can see that, and you can buy the refill, the cartridge inside of the little green one inside of there. So I got that. And I'm going to place another order. And then I bought these for the border cartridge maker. If you're not familiar with that, these are like, they make 12-inch punches, like in lines and stuff. And it goes with this system. This is the older version. The new one is the same, except it's blue. And this is, I think, black. So the only thing that's changed is the color, but the tool itself is exactly the same. So I have the old version of it, and it still works. And I have the old ones, and so I've added to my collection. And these things, oh my God, on eBay, when you buy Creative Memories stuff on eBay, people pay a fortune for them. Oh my gosh. Because they do last. They are quality. I'm so glad that even though when they got changed over, this is the third, I think, company, third or fourth company, but they've been stable with this last go round, and I'm glad. They do digital scrapbooking as well. And they actually created a lot of products that people don't realize. Like the Project Life cards that we call them. They actually had those years ago. I'm going to show you the other two things. I forgot to sit on my feet that I purchased. So these are the border cartridges. And I'll show you how to use these in a different video. But I just wanted to show you them. So I have, in this collection, we have the cloud. This one makes clouds. I'm going to make some border strips, and I'll show you those. This is the gemstone chain. This one is the infinity chain. And this is the bridge. I just decided I want to get some more of my projects done, because that's why I do paper crafting in the first place, is because I have scrapbooks. You don't have to scrapbook every picture that you have. Just do your highlights And that's what I want to do. And I like playing with paper anyway. So the other thing I did get, when I was talking about the Project Life, they had this. This is 11. Oh, collapse. This is 11 by 17. I think 11 by 14. Let me see. Okay, this is by, I think it's 11 by 14. But I'm going to open this up. So this is like your Project Life type binder. They've had these out, like I said, over 10 years ago. And they always have this hinge mechanism. And the pages, I have to put it in. The pages not in at the moment. But when you see the pages, they're just like your multi get this over. Multi-pack pages. So, like this. So right here you can see you got 3, you got 5. And little strips right here. So they always had theirs like that with the strips. And then they had the pocket things to go along with it. So I just got another one of these because I like these. Great way to decorate your pictures. Put it together, and I believe it's 20 pages. Is that what it is? So it's 11 by 14, it's 15 pack. Times 10, so it's 150 photos. And you can expand it. You can buy, I think up to 3 packs can go in here, I believe. I think, I can't remember. I just said that based on like the albums. So anyway, I put that together. I'll get some photos in there. And then the last thing I got, this is a new product. Yeah, sorry about all the rustling. Same size. So that is, yep. It's a little bigger, actually. But this is a storage binder. And I'm going to buy some refills. Now this, I like that it's bound up so you won't lose your stuff, but it has 12 by 12 pockets that you can buy for refills. These are the 5 by 5, I mean 6 by 6 pockets. With a little flap. The flap just meets it, it doesn't go over it, but you can stick stuff in here. And hopefully if anything would come out, it's inside of the zippered thing that you won't lose it. And then you have your 2.5 by 12, so you can stick borders in here that you might be making for a scrapbook page now. And then you can order the refills. I was really looking for more of these. And this is the standard, it looks like a standard size 3 ring. So I have plenty of 12 by 12s. They may not be brown, but I can stick some, other ones in there or buy some more of these. Also has 2 pockets. Well, 1 pocket right here for storage. But I'm really interested in these 2 sets. And right when I was going to get my order, I had my order in my cart for a couple of days. When I came back, this one had sold out. This one was already sold out. So they both would be returning. So I will be getting some more of these once they come in, to using this as a storage when you make some stuff that you want to keep on hand and have it ready. So that is my Creative Members haul again. If you see anything you want or have questions about, check out the website with something that you want, especially if you need an album. You got a baby, grandbaby, wedding, anniversary, you want to put your pictures in something quality. You can get your picture put on your album, your name, the date. You can get a lot of stuff. You can do digital scrapbooking as well. So it doesn't have to be all physical. So, and check them out. Got any questions? My email is down below and my website is down below. Contact me and I'll be more than willing to help you. But anyway, I was excited to get my order in and to get all my sales stuff and my promotionals. It's like, yay. So anyway, I'll have another order coming soon. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.